Hi Wish Trenders, welcome back to Wish Trend Fitness TV. I am Chloe Buck and I am second runner-up for Miss Korea 2018. Have you been keeping up home training with me? If you want to watch the previous episodes, please click on the link at the bottom of the screen. Do you know how to make toned arms and smooth shoulder lines? You should let your blood circulation flow smoothly and avoid fat or muscles from cramping up. It is also important to focus on exercising different parts of the arms like the biceps and triceps. So today I have prepared an effective and easy workout to burn your excess fat on your arm and shoulder and gain fine muscles. Let's get that beautiful body line. Before that, click like and subscribe to us. It's time to get up and shape up. The first move will stimulate the small muscles between your shoulders. It helps to stimulate the muscles you don't normally use, so it helps to remove fat. So we're gonna get down on our mat. Like this, and have your knees bent, and we're gonna swirl around using this arm. This move helps to slowly loosen up the shoulder muscles. So let's do 10 reps on each side. Make sure the shoulder does not twist or move. When you move your arms, make sure you tighten and hold your core muscles so that your lower body does not move back and forth. Feel your arms stretch when you're making circles with your hands. Open your chest wide when your arms stretch over 90 degrees. If this move hurts your neck, please put a towel under your neck for some support. Okay, we're gonna switch sides and do the same thing on the other side. Let's go. Again, open your chest. Inhale through your nose. Exhale while turning. Concentrate on the muscles on your inner shoulder. Those will be getting stimulated. All right, it feels really good. All right. We use our arms and shoulders all the time, but we never work them out very much. So just relax those muscles with these simple movements and breathe along. Apparently, breathing helps relaxing the muscles a lot, so keep that in mind. All right, this is the chair dips. This move tones your upper arm and strengthens the shoulders. Okay, so I'm gonna make my chair face this way. And we're gonna place both hands on the chair. Make sure your arms are about your shoulder width apart. Now, slowly lower your body down until your arms are parallel to the floor. Ready? Let's go. Do not forget to breathe, guys. Now, we are gonna face this way. So we are doing it together. You will agree with me that the arm fat is the hardest to burn. We call it H fat, and it's extremely difficult to remove. This move is really effective in burning the fat in that area. We're gonna lower our upper arms to 90 degrees, keeping them in line with the floor. So let's start. Guys, be careful that your hips do not touch the floor. The farther away you're from your body, the harder it is. You have to straighten your back as much as possible. Think of leaning against a wall with your back completely straight and sliding down. Whoa. To increase the resistance, you can stretch your legs completely while doing it or use a full 1 liter water bottle on your lap during the last set. Can you feel the burn in your shoulders and arms? It's so hard to lose fat, but so easy to put on. Do this move 2 to 3 times a week, and it'll help your arms to be toned. Or you can just do this whenever you have time. And if you do it frequently, you are not giving the fat time to build up at all. Now, stretch your shoulders and arms like this. Place your elbow behind your head. Use your other hand to pull your elbow back behind your body. Pull the opposite elbow to the back of your neck to give the muscle a good stretch. It's important to make sure you don't put too much pressure on your neck with your arms. Look as far to the side as possible and open your shoulder. Should we move on to the next move to continue burn fat on shoulders and arms? This move is called the Arnold press. Arnold here refers to Arnold Schwarzenegger from Terminator. In 1973, the Guinness Book of World Records named Arnold as the most perfectly developed human in the history of the world. So naturally, people were interested in how he works out, so he created some routines and named them after him. This is one of those workouts. This move stimulates the deltoids to tone the upper arm and make a nice shoulder line. Alright, so I'm gonna get back down on my chair and use the 2 water bottles that are next to me. You can either use water bottles like me or use a dumbbell. Slowly extend your arms upward while turning your wrist 180 degrees outward. Lower the wrist while rotating it inward. Feel the tension in your shoulder muscles as you bring the arms down. Hold it slightly, then return to the starting position. You need to hold your core muscles during this move so you don't hurt your back. When you watch yourself in the mirror, focus on keeping your arms straight while you exercise. Guys, do not forget to breathe. It's not good to do it fast. Just do it with accurate moves. Okay, can you feel your shoulder muscles pulling? Increasing the mass by carrying the water bottles stimulates the muscles even more, so it doubles the effect. All right, one last move left. After completing the workouts today, you will get smooth arms and show them off in cute outfits. Now let's move on to the next move. The last exercise that I'm gonna share with you today is dumbbell bent over lateral raise. Okay, so I'm gonna pick up 2 water bottles that are next to me. The last move will give you an intense burning in the back, shoulders, and forearms. This move gives you a rounder and smoother shoulders. Let's do 3 sets of 10 reps. Put your feet firmly on the ground, and we're gonna go up like this. In particular, it can stimulate the back, the biceps, and the triceps to create a thin and smoother upper arm. Guys, do not forget to breathe. Be careful to bend your back as little as possible. It should feel like you're sitting gently, similar to how it feels when you do a squat. Please lift up, slow down while feeling the weight of the water bottle. All right, if you want toned arms, it's important to do steady repetition training. Don't skip workouts for a healthy body, just even for a few minutes. You can easily do this move at home because you can replace the dumbbell with water bottles. Today, we concentrated on shoulder and arm movements. The arms and shoulders are constantly being used, but there are many people who do not stretch the muscles properly after working out, leaving them sore. This makes the area swollen and fat can settle afterwards. We do not want that. You can get more fit and healthy just by defining your body line. I know that there are a lot of people waiting for this part of the video. Thank you so much for liking my meal preps. How was the konjac rice I showed you last time? Today, I'll be sharing how to make oat milk. This will fill you up. It's a great substitute for breakfast. Oat is great because it fills you up but has relatively low calories, and it's delicious. So come with me with a consistent exercise and healthy diet management to make a healthy body together. If you had any troubles with today's workout or menu, let me know in the comment section below. I'll try my best to help you answer any questions. If you have any questions about getting specific body lines, diet tips, or any other workout methods, please leave us a comment. Once again, thank you so much for watching, and do not forget to subscribe to Wish Trend TV to get the next episode of Wish Trend Fitness TV.